free speech. That would go against everything you believe in, wouldn't it? Shall we move on to the next act? I think we need to go to our next act very shortly. We've got another part of the quiz coming up very soon. This next act I'm really looking forward to. I saw a sneak preview of this set, and it's Wayne Allen, who topped our SMR chart last year with his brilliant song, which he actually played live from the National Rejoin March stage in London, Song for Rejoin, where he's back in 2025 with a brand new album with his friend who goes by the name of, is it Alric? Ulrich. I think it's Ulrich. Yeah, that is his single moniker, like Sting or Prince.
So there's a cool name.
Right, the new band name is Alan and Ulrich. I know they've been in the studio throughout most of 2024, putting the finishing touches to this album, so I'm really looking forward to it. Guaranteed first plays of most of the new songs on SMR. I'm sure it's set to be a few tunes of the week there in the running. Are we ready for that, Peter? Brilliant. So this is Alan and Ulrich. Enjoy.
Hi, I'm Wayne Allen.
I'm Phily.
Together we're Alan and Alric. We've got our first album out next year, and we're going to play a few songs from it for you now.
change. Wherever you go on earth, you can shout and scream, but you can't change your worth. So let's go to Vegas, where Elvis will save us. Let's go to Vegas to be saved. Oh, I need some desert sun. Oh, I need some Vegas fun. To fear, you can try to scare me all you want, my dear. So take your aim and we'll share the blame, 'cause in the end we're all the same. So let's go to Vegas, where Elvis will save us. Let's go to Vegas to be saved. Oh, I need some desert sun. Oh, I need some Vegas fun. Someone to save my soul. I need some rock and roll. I need some desert sun, so let's go to Vegas. I need some Vegas fun, so let's go to Vegas. Oh, I need some desert rain, so let's go to Vegas. I need to wash away my pain. Hey babe, let's get married in the church of rock and roll, where Elvis is the pastor, looking down from above. He can surely save our souls. Deliver us, rock and roll. Someone save my soul. Let's go Vegas, where Elvis will save us.
Hello, people of the United Kingdom. We miss you.
Here in France, we're waiting for you to come back into the European Union.
Big kisses.
Come back soon.
There's gonna be days when you feel down. Don't you worry when they try to drag you down. Don't you worry. Just stand firm and hold your ground. Don't you worry. And the truth will come around. I got a friend who really cares. I know they're always there for me. Pick me up when I feel down. If you keep the kindness in your heart, if you keep the kindness in your heart. got friends who really care. You know they're always there for you, to pick you up when you fall down. Not a day goes by, I don't think of you again. I need your grace to find my way, to find myself, my way back home. Again. This is the last kiss, the last kiss. What am I gonna do without you? This is the last kiss, the last kiss. What am I gonna do without you? One more time, just one more day, just one more minute. If I stay here with you and take your last breath, can I hold you? Can I kiss you? This is the last kiss, the last kiss. What am I gonna do? This is the last kiss